Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So I have a newfound obsession. Press-on nails. I love Kiss press-on nails. They are easy to put on. They last for a long time. They're only $5 to $10 and they look great. If you want to see how I apply these nails and how absolutely gorgeous they are, and make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to show you how to easily remove them. So first, make sure you're subscribed and then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. So there are many places that you can buy Kiss press-on nails from. So I got this group here from Ulta. This group here I got from Family Dollar. And this one here I got from CVS Pharmacy. But you can also find these at Target, Walmart, or even online. So I decided on this nail today. It's a peach nail with some glitter on the top, and if you know me, you know I love me some glitter. So step one, you're gonna file your nails. So I still have a little glue left from the last press-on nails, or if you don't, it's just good to get that shiny layer off and kind of scuff them up. Step two, you're gonna clip your nails. Last step for the prep is you're gonna take some acetone and a paper towel and you're gonna clean all those nails off from the dust from the filing. All right, time to open the package and get these beauties on my nails. So this package comes with its own glue, so you don't have to buy any other glue. So this kit also comes with stickers that you can use in place of the glue, but I'll toss it out. I only use the glue. So now I am on to finding what nails fit my real nails. So on the back of each nail, there are numbers. In the Kiss nail kits, the numbers range from 0 to either 11 or 12, and the larger the number, the smaller the nail. So you're just gonna start picking up and putting them on your nail and kind of looking at the side and see if, does it overhang or do you see too much of your real nail, and you're gonna find it until you find that perfect fit. And in this kit, there are 24 nails to pick from. Then you're gonna look for that same number for that same finger on the other hand, but still try it on your finger because my thumbnails are different sizes. I have one that is wider than the other. So still test them out, but at least look for that same number. It gives you a starting point. So now you are gonna go through and do that same process for every single finger. And once you find which nail fits a finger, I lay it on the table in the order of my fingers so I can easily know what nail goes with which finger. So the reason I love the brand Kiss for these press-on nails is that they are great quality. So I've ordered other press-on nails off Amazon and they were just cheap. They felt very thin, very plasticky, and when I wore them, they would pop off after a day or two and they would crack and it was just not good. But these Kiss nails, man, they are good. They stay on for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Now, technically, you're only supposed to wear them one, but they are so good you can wear them longer. Now on to the gluing. So I'm first going to show you what not to do. So this nail goes on my left thumb, but I'm holding the nail with my left hand. You do not want to do that because now I got to pass it over to my right hand to try and grab it and put it on. When you do this, when you're doing that passing over to a different hand, you have a tendency to drop it. You have a tendency for the glue to spill over, and then you got glue all over your fingers, and then your fingers get stuck together. So do not hold the nail with the hand that nail goes on. So now I'm going to show you the correct way. So I have the nail in my right hand, and I have it pinched between my two fingers. So now I'm going to use my left hand to put the glue on. But the way I'm holding this nail is with my thumb on top and my index finger on the bottom. So then you're going to put the glue on, and now all you need to do is flip the nail over and place it on your other hand. So then I line up the nail, and I take the bottom of the nail when it's about 3/4 of the way down. Then I kind of place it on the nail and slide it all the way down to the cuticle. You want to push it all the way down so there's not much of a gap. And then you're going to hold it. You do not want to let it go until it starts adhering to your real nail. If you let go too soon, the nail's just going to fall off and the glue is going to spill off the nail and it's going to get all over the place. So you want to kind of put it on and hold it there until it starts adhering. So then once it starts to adhere, then you can kind of start rocking your other hand around, and this is just kind of help pushing every part of the nail down onto your real nail. So the next thing you want to do is when you're rocking, you just want to keep pressing and rocking. Now you may see a little glue squirt out. That is okay, but you want to keep pressing down and keep rocking until you don't see any more glue squirting out. That's usually sign number 1 that the glue is drying and securing that nail to your real nail. If you still see a little bit squirting out, you're not done yet. So keep on holding till you don't see any more glue, and then I usually still hold it even longer because I want to make sure that nail is good and secure. So when in doubt, hold a little longer. So this is the process that you are going to do on every single finger. So each finger will probably take about a minute. So 5 minutes a hand, that's not too bad. All right, here's the first hand done. Beautiful. So I'm going to skip through showing you my other hand, but here is the final results of what both hands look like. So if you put the nails on and you're like, oh, those are too long, you can cut them. So here I am using an acrylic nail cutter, and I'm just trimming off the tip of the nail. So I am a piano player. I have contacts, so having really, really long nails doesn't quite work for me. So I like to trim them to a certain length, and a lot of times these nails are a little too long for me, so you're going to trim them, and then you just take a file, and you just kind of sand and file the corners to make them a little rounded and just kind of make that edge nice and smooth. You'll also want to file on the back side of the nail, because when you clip it and then file on top, it gets kind of thick. So taking the file and kind of sanding the back of it makes it a nice width and not so chunky. And now they are perfect. Now I'm going to show you how to remove press-on nails. So I'm removing the nails I had on previously. And so first you want to take a bowl and fill it full of water. Next, you're going to take some vegetable oil and dump it into the water. Now you're going to soak your hand into this bowl for 10 to 15 minutes. So when you are done, your hand's going to feel very oily. So you're going to need to try and wash off that oil, and you might need to wash your hands a few times. So after you've washed off that oil as best you can, the nails are now loose. So now you can just stick your other fingernail under there and it's going to pop right off. Now just be careful if they don't pop right off. It means there's still a little section of glue hanging on. So just kind of stick your finger in there and slide it around to loosen up that remaining glue. And there we go. They are all off. Well, thank you for watching this video on these beautiful press-on nails. And as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.